Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are refinishing or restoring any trim pieces in a vehicle, I want to show you the material that you need. This is from SEM, and this is an OEM matched coating for refinishing automotive trim components, and the stuff works awesome. So we follow the step-by-step instructions using several of the SEM products to prepare and texture, and then to put the final coat on with this black spray. This is the type of project that you're just not sure if you're gonna get really good results at home, but we actually were so impressed. So everything worked so well, instructions were super clear, and our end result is amazing. So from before and after, these pieces looked so night and day. They looked like they were brand new from the factory, even though these parts are about 30 years old. So very excited about these products and would definitely recommend them for your trim refreshing project. And that's my point of view.